Hello students and welcome to my channel Sriram EduTalks. In today's class, I am going to teach you the converse of midpoint theorem of class 9 chapter called quadrilateral. In one of my earlier videos, I have already taught the midpoint theorem and its proof. So let's start with the converse today. The statement of the theorem states that the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side intersects the third side also at its midpoint. That means we are given here that D is midpoint of AB, and we are also given that the line DE is parallel to BC. Now we need to show here that E also is the midpoint of AC. As you can see, I have drawn something in red. So this is construction that we need to remember. This has to be done. So I will let E not be the midpoint and instead F be the midpoint of AC. So let E not be the midpoint of AC and instead let F be the midpoint of AC. So this is very important. Now let's start with the proof. Okay, so we were given that D is the midpoint of AB and I have supposed in the construction I have supposed F to be the midpoint of AC. This is given and F is midpoint of AC by the construction. So the line joining the midpoint of two sides AB and AC, that is DF, must be parallel to the third side BC. This is by midpoint theorem. Okay, but we were given that DE is parallel to BC, but DE is parallel to BC. This was given to us. Now DF and DE, this means are both parallel to the same line BC. You see, DF and DE are two intersecting lines, and two intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line BC. So this is a contradiction. So thus both DE and DF, which are intersecting lines, are parallel to BC. This is a contradiction and So our supposition that F be the midpoint of AC must be wrong. So our supposition that F is midpoint of AC must be wrong, and finally, hence E is the midpoint of AC. So we have shown that E is the only midpoint of AC. So students, I hope that you must have understood the proof of this theorem very well. That is all in today's class. Goodbye. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sriram Edu Talks. Thank you again.